Hello, this is John again from bougie.us. Thank you for watching this video. This is a reasonable property at a good price in the village of Voditsa. Voditsa is just outside of Popovo. Once again, the soft, gentle, slow-moving video has been done by Joanna.
Hello, good day. I am Joanna and I am today in village Voditsa, a nice village just less of 15 minutes away from town Popovo. Hour to Ruse, hour to Veliko Tarnovo, and less of 2 hours to the airport Varna or to the beach. That beautiful house, it's for sale. There is a water, electric, there is a livable condition. The property, the roof is in good condition, no roof leak. There is a few barns, nice flat garden at the back, outside toilet, very old bathroom inside, but let me to show you. You can see along here at the left you have little beams for support because the wall is built from stone and mud and needs some work, but the rest is lovely. You have a vineyard everywhere around, and it's good because no leaves at the moment. You can see more around outside, because when come the leaves and grapes, it's hard. Few fruit trees in a garden, nice sitting outside area. There is a water tap outside, you can see it, which is really important and is really big and comfortable, so you can work, wash or preparing your veggies for the winter. I show you everything what I'm able to see it, and we will go to see first inside the house, and then I will go into the barns and the garden. Can we go downstairs first? We're going to see the barns now. It's early spring here and it's a lovely sunny day. You cannot see. What I cannot tell to you about village Voditsa is a big social village with few shops, nice friendly people, and bus stop and a library. In the village have a few expats already. You can see what huge barns have this property. Here is one of them for the animals. If you decide, you can renovate it, make it extra livable accommodations for yourself. And now we go to see the bigger barn. Here on the back will be a little bit hard because a little tree try to grow on our way. And here is the bigger barn, which need little bit work on the side. Been built from mud bricks and stones. We have a very nice neighbor who is working at the moment with a toy, treating some tree. This is the noise which I cannot hear. And yes, lots of opportunity, great potential. come and see. If you have an interest on this property, you are free to contact us through WhatsApp, Viber, or you can use it our email, which is sales@bg.house. We always reply to our messages, and we will be happy to show this property for you in a rural village of Voditsa. I will show you a few different photos in my post when it's nice and green and when it's not so green. Look at this little cute door which bring you into that house. It's a nice buy in a nice village, quiet rural Bulgaria. Come and visit us. Have a good day. We start with downstairs. Downstairs the floors are wood, but the wood is not in very good condition. We'll need it to be replaced, or you can make it a nice tiling floor. They're using the corridor like a little kitchen. You got hob oven, a little fridge over here. That door brings you to the old bathroom. Inside here you can see they have a beautiful old beam ceilings. It's a room for storage, so you can put all your junks in it. And this is the old bathroom, which still work, but of course it's better if you have a new one. I'm going back into the kitchen. Here behind the fridge, it's a shame I can't open, but have a really nice big old fireplace. We have a basement with beautiful big beams, which can come a nice kitchen for someone. It's deep. It's important, the basement for Bulgarians, because everything important regard the food for the family, it stored over here through the whole winter season. And again in the summer you can pull out a nice juice, and it's nice and cold there. This is a little bedroom for the old people who've been living over here. And upstairs you have a 3-bedroom property with a large corridor, but the old people prefer to live and using only downstairs for themselves. You have a wood burner, which is old, but don't heat 2 rooms, this one. Here again you have a floor from wood, but I already mentioned to you the wood will need to be replaced, and very old sink. You can see it with old tap. Come and show you upstairs now. I'm going upstairs. Here you have another door, so you can get in out on the street. If you decide, the street is in very good condition road. They just built it. You can see it, and the wall give it you a nice privacy. It's not busy road. And you have a beautiful old big pantry over there, which is the only beautiful green thing at the moment. The house upstairs is in very good condition. You can move into till you do your renovation downstairs or create your new bathroom. We line upstairs in a large corridor. You can see it with 4 rooms. Upstairs you can see we line to 4 doors. That door here is only space, small space. You can reach into the attic space there. You can check the roof of the property, which is still in a good condition. It's not big storage. And we start first with the old room. You can see it. Here they are stored any kind of things. The sun reflection on my lens. Then we go in a double room, which is the best big room in that house, which look like a double room with lots of space. Here the floor is chipboard. It's probably 7-8 meter long. It's a really long room, and even have a bed on the side. You have a window which look on the side of the house and a window which look on the side of the street. And the last bedroom upstairs. The rest of the rooms look dark because the blinds are on. I can't change them. I'm sorry. For this, the rest of the rooms all look dark. Here I have 2 more beds. Here the floor is from wood, which is in a better condition from the floor downstairs. Most of the Bulgarian houses upstairs been kept more tidy and in a better state, just because no one use it. Most of the Bulgarians, they are using only downstairs, and upstairs they are keeping for their kids when they are coming into the property. Come, I show you the rest now. Now we're going to see the garden or the gardens. Bulgarians, most of them, they separate the gardens on a few sections. Like here is only for flowers and fruit and grapes. Down there is the barns, but we will take a walk from other side. You have a drive and big double gates where you can bring your vehicle down into this barn, even if you choose. This is the outside toilet, that little house building, sorry, with the wooden door. It's important, the toilet in a garden. When you are with a dirty feet, you can really visit it for a quick one. There is the barns. Here you have 2 small sections where you can look after animals. On the top you have lots of space, so you can put straw. This is what Bulgarians was using. And here is the rest of the barns, which they are not small. I will show you in a minute. Let's see here first. We have lots of still old grass. Here is the space, and it's a big space where you can use it or make it a nice sitting veranda or just something comfortable for yourself or a workshop for your husband. There is the garden. Through these gates you reach on a garden for vegetables where all the animals stay away and will not damage your crops. And now I'm going to show you the barns.